Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to temporarily change profile picture on Facebook. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here are the general steps based on the information available at the time. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Go to your profile, then tap on your profile picture or your name to go to your Facebook profile. Step 3. Look for the Edit Profile option, often represented by a pencil icon, or Edit Profile Picture, so tap on it. Then tap on Allow Access, then tap Allow again. Step 4. Select the option to change your profile picture and choose the source, camera, or gallery for the temporary picture. Step 5. Upload the desired temporary profile picture. Some versions of Facebook may allow you to set a duration for how long the temporary profile picture will be displayed. If this option is available, choose the desired duration. Now keep in mind that Facebook interface and features are subject to change, and newer versions of the app may have different steps. If the steps above do not match your current Facebook app, I recommend checking the app settings or referring to the latest Facebook help documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date instructions. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.